Okay. So right now, I hope each and everyone here has GitHub account, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So like I stated earlier on, what is Git? It's a version control system that allow different developers from all over the world or on a project to collaborate. So let's see. What's the first thing? We are going to push the course. That's the project that we did yesterday. We are going to push that one to GitHub. That's the project that I'm going to use today. So right now, I want all of you to go into that folder. So let's go to Code Boot Ghana, Code Boot Ghana, Bootcamp. I think it was a portfolio or project two rather. No, okay. The portfolio project. That's what we are going to use. So all of you should open that folder, the portfolio project. Please, are you guys there? All right. So we are going to push this project to GitHub. We are going to push this course to GitHub. Have you all been able to locate that folder?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so right now, let's open the folder with the terminal. You can use the CMD or you can use your Git Bash. Make sure you have something like this. You can just open in Windows. I know you can just open the terminal. Then all that you have to do is select this folder and drag and drop inside the terminal. It will open it for you like this. Please, are we on the same page?
Come again, please.
I said, let's open the folder which contains the portfolio website inside the terminal. And I'm saying that you can do that by just dragging and dropping, drag and drop the folder inside the terminal like this. So at the end of the day, I want to see something like your name and the part to the what do you call it, the project.
Okay, done.
Okay, that's great.
So
Joseph,
after doing it, they said no such file or
Perry, what are you
directory.
saying?
After copying it there, they said no such file or directory.
I'm coming. Okay, another way is Perry, just go to the folder.
Yeah.
What's the name of the folder? Do you have portfolio?
Yeah.
So just right click on it and open with the terminal. Open with Git Bash. Do you have that option?
Yeah.
Great. So you can do it that way, and that one will also work. There are so many ways to kill the cat.
But sir, is there a reason why when I dragged it, it don't work?
That one, unless maybe you share your screen, then we check it for you. But I think the second option works for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move on.
Yeah, wait.
Joseph, please, are you done?
Say I'm done.
Low battery.
Oh, that one.
Please charge.
You are done.
Yes, please.
Okay. Majid, you just joined, right?
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay. So we are starting a new section for this bootcamp. Right now,
Okay.
we are studying Git and GitHub. We are going to
So,
study how to use Git as a developer.
okay. So I should open my Git, right?
I'm coming. I'm coming. So someone may ask you, what is Git? What is Git? So you can just tell the person it's a version control system that allows developers to collaborate on a project. Simple and cover short. Do you understand it that way?
It's
Is that?
come again. It's
It's a version control system that allows developers to collaborate on the same project.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Do you understand? So
Yeah, I
it is used to
understand.
keep track of the changes of codes or the code history. That's done by the individual developers.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so from there, then I made them create GitHub accounts. So just go to GitHub and register new account. Go and create account on GitHub.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay. So whilst you are doing that, I think, guys, please, are we all on this? Are we on the same page?
Okay. But you see, the app I have is this thing, Git Bash.
Yes, we are going to use the Git Bash. The Git Bash is what we are going to use locally to communicate with the remote server.
Oh, okay.
So the one that we are going to use is GitHub. We have other services like the
So
Git package.
you said I should create GitHub account, right?
Yes. Okay, guys. So right now we are going to look at the basic commands used in Git. We are going to look at the basic commands used in Git. Okay, so let's look at our codes for the last time. Please, have you also opened the codes inside the VS Code?
Yes.
Great, great. All right. Right now, look at the colors. So look at the colors. Look at the colors. The colors will change right now. So just keep just look at the thing very, very carefully. If you see anything and you don't understand, let me know so that I can explain it to you guys. So let's see. The first command that we are going to use is Git Init. That is a way to initialize Git locally on your machine. That's the first command. Right now, your code has no Git inside. So right now we are going to add Git, or we are going to add this code to Git. That's what we are going to do. And I'm saying that in Git, the first command that as a developer you should know is called Git Init, which is Git initialize. So you just say Git Init. And what is the purpose of this? We are just initializing the whole folder. We are just adding the whole folder to what? Git. That's what we are doing. So just type Git Init and press enter. So what do you have? It says initialize empty Git repository in what? This folder. So let's go back to our Hey, maybe I'm moving fast. Please, are you on the same page? This is the first command that we are using, Git Init. So just type Git Init here and press enter. Make sure you get something like this. the response should be something like this. This is the message. Initialize empty Git repository in this path.
Okay.
Do you have this?
Yes.
No, sir, but I said command not found.
Hey, Joseph, you again.
In my case, they said
Joseph, let me stop sharing my screen so that you do it and let's see. Quick.
Hey, what is the Git?
sorry.
Is that a Git bash?
Yes, please.
I want you.
Type Git Init and let me see.
I see my. Okay, so it's okay. Okay,
Enter. It's working. Okay, but you
Sending.
wait, don't close it. Joseph, are you sure this is where your project is?
Boss number.
Yes, it's here.
Boss number. Damn.
Where's the project? So
See,
right click on this project.
there is
right?
it. Report.
Normal.
Open with Git. So
about the 12
so you do something like this. Not the first one. Please
Okay.
go and close the first one.
Okay.
Right, this is the main reason I always want you guys to connect with your machine so that you can move quickly. So Git Init. That's all.
Okay, sir.
So this is the first command. You can stop sharing your screen. All right, so let me take over from here. Okay, so this is the first command. Git Init. To initialize Git in your, what do you call it, in your folder. That's where your project is. Okay. Then what is the next command? The next command is Git Add. Git Add.
Oh, you don't have charger head. Huh?
Hey, Joseph, please mute your mic. The next command is Git Add. Git Add. And what is Git Add? We are just going to add our files. Okay, so you can see right now the color has changed. Have you all seen this? Do you all see this?
Mr. Roberts?
Yes.
I've created it, bro.
You have created your account, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, so all that we have done is just open your Git bash. How do you open the Git bash?
I've opened it.
And type Git -- version and tell us the version of Git that you are using. Everyone has done that.
Git -- version, right?
Yes. It's not one word though. Git, then you space out -- then version, one word, -- version, one word.
Git -- version.
Share your screen. Share your screen. Share your screen.
I came late, so I'm kind. Unless you see, I didn't log in with using my PC. That's why.
Hey, you this guy.
I just came. I was sent.
Just do something like this. Git -- version.
Yeah, that's what I've done. Yeah. They said command not found.
Something like this. Let me see. Okay, I
They
didn't
said
set
command.
the version well here. Are you sure?
Yeah, they said command not found.
No. It should work. So that's the same issue Joseph was facing, and I let him share his screen and we assist him. So the same thing. You guys should try your best to connect your laptops so that if there's
Can I take a picture of it and send it?
You do that and let me see. Send it in the WhatsApp group. But guys, I hope you all see these changes. You see that the color has changed, right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, we are here.
Please, have you all seen these changes?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move on. Let's move on. Whilst you are,
Yes.
let's move on. So the next one is Git Add. Please don't forget this.
Please, I've sent it.
Okay. Don't forget these commands. These are the basic commands that you have to know. Okay, so it's wrong. I said git, then space dash version. Like this, git space dash version. Look at how I've typed it.
Oh,
It's not one word. This is how you did it. If you do it this way, it's wrong. It won't work. You are going to
okay.
see command not found. Okay. So the next one is Git Add. Git Add. Git Add. And what is the Git Add? We are adding all the files. That is, you want to add these files to Git. You are just adding the files to Git. That is the meaning of Git Add. So if you want to add just one file, then
Mr. Albert, 2.30.1. Windows 1.
Okay. Majid, you are behind though. You guys always try and come early. Otherwise, you make the video long because I have to go forward and come back and forth. I'm coming. I'll get back to you. Let's move on. I'll get back to you right now. Let's see. Okay, so like I was saying, if you want to add just this file, to Git, you can just say Git add. Then you specify the file name, which is what index.html. But this here we don't want to commit only one file. We don't want to add only one file. We want to add all the files. Do you get me? So when you type git add, then you add a period sign or the full stop. I am using the Ubuntu Bash, and this is what I'm using. So I always do it this way. Please just type exactly what you see. The git add means you are adding your project to Git. And the first one was what? Git initialize or Git init. That is to initialize Git in your project. That's the first thing. And the second one is to add your project to Git. So just type git add, then full stop. Full stop means you are adding everything. You are adding everything. You don't want to type the files one after the other. The file's name, that is star.css, index.html, and the images folder. You don't want to do that. So the shortcut is just git add with this symbol, which is the full stop. So let me type it and see. Okay, so when you enter, this is what you are supposed to see. You will not get any response. Please do this and let me see.
Let's say no response.
Are we on the same page?
No, sir. I'm getting warning messages, plenty, and it's not stopping. It just keep reading.
Wow.
I'm taking a picture. I'm using my laptop and phone. I'm taking a picture. It's still reading.
So take a picture and post it inside the group and let me see.
Okay, sir.
Joseph.
Sir, yeah, I'm set.
Your own works, right?
Yeah, this time, yeah.
Great. Is Perry here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Perry, is your own working?
Yeah, it's working perfectly.
Great. David, please, can I see the command that you entered? Okay. Okay. So, Joseph, hey, Asamaba. Joseph, did you open just the folder or you open different folder? Because I'm seeing some node models. Are you using npm here?
So, say it's not me. Mine is working.
No, David, I can see node models here.
Node models.
So meaning you are using npm package here.
I have no idea.
You have no
NPM.
idea.
No, sir.
And you can't share your screen too for me to see what is wrong.
No, I'm using the phone and the laptop.
The laptop, I hope the laptop is connected to the Zoom.
No.
Wow.
Okay, I'm sending a picture of the beginning of the error message. I think that is different from what come later.
Okay, you know something? You just call me on video call right now. Just use WhatsApp video and call me and let me check it for you. Why have you off the light in the room? It's not clear. It's not clear here. Okay. Okay. Okay, David.
Sorry.
The issue is you didn't open the folder that I asked you guys to open with the Git bash. You are using, I think this is the whole, this is everything inside your computer. That's why everything has been added to Git.
Okay.
So let's see. Just close the Git bash.
Okay.
Close the Git bash for me. And you are using Windows, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just locate the folder. Just the folder. I don't know the name that you gave it. Is it portfolio or personal website?
Yes. Uh, yes.
So
No. Project one.
your own is project one.
Yes.
But I think project one was what we did
Uh,
yesterday.
yeah. That one I made it project two. So
Okay.
this is the project one. Today's one.
Okay. So project one, just right click on that project one. I hope inside the project one is just that project that you have inside, right?
Yes, I have the image, the index, and the star.
Great. So just right click on that folder and open with Git bash.
Okay. I just did.
Okay. So you have to initialize Git again. So Git Init. Are you there? David,
Yeah.
please, have you done that?
Yes.
Then just type git add space this period sign or the full stop.
Okay, sir. I'm with you.
It works, right?
Yes.
Now you don't have that plenty things again.
No, sir.
All right. All right. All right.
Thank you.
So this is the next um this is the next git command that I want you guys to take note of. That is git add. And I'm saying that if you don't want to specify the names of the files, that is, instead of typing git add, then you put the name inside the quote. That's index.html, star.css, the images folder, like 111. No, that one is a whole kabudo. So you can just type git add, then you space it and bring the full stop. It will work for you. It will just add everything here to Git. Okay, what is the next thing? Let's check what we have now. So another command is git status. Git status. So as the name sound, you can use git status to check the status of your the local repository. Right now you have initialized Git here, so we have local repository here. So just type git status. Okay, so what do you have on a branch master? I will teach you about branch, but let's move on. No commit yet. Okay, you guys should see something like this. Changes to be commit. If you don't want to commit, you can use git remove. So this is git remove, git rm, then the cached. You let's forget about this command. Then the next one is what? The names of your file, which is index.html, star.css, images slash my own is what? Profile picture.jpg. Guys, do you all have this?
Yes.
Great, great. And I'm saying that if you don't want to continue with the Git, that is, if you don't want to add everything here to Git, you can undo what you just did. You can do what you just did by just what? Using this command, which is git remove. So you can just type git remove, that is rm. Then you bring this flag, which is what? Remove from the cached. So if I do this right now, it will take me back to where we started from. So let me do it for you guys to see. Did I do the right thing? Git remove cached. Let me copy and paste because I need time. Okay, so that's it. So git status again. Git status. Wow. Should I use the force? Okay, let me use the force and see. So you don't worry. This one, the git remove will take you back to where you started from. But it's not working out. I don't know the reason why. I'll find out later. Let's move on. I don't want us to waste much time here. Let's move on to the next git command. So we have learned about git init, git add, git status. What is the next command? The next command is to save your code. Right now, you haven't saved it all. You haven't saved your code yet. So in order for you to save your code to Git, how do you do that? You can use the command git commit. You can use the command git commit with a message, with a message. So let's see, git. So this is the next command, git commit. And this command has an attribute, which is what? M, which is the message. So you have to tell the developers your side, what are you doing at this current time, or this particular time? What are you doing? Okay, so at this time, I'm doing what? I'm committing this portfolio website, that is the home page, and then the CSS. So this is just a home page website. I'm committing the home page. So all that you have to do is what? I want to save this one, or I want to commit this one to GitHub. So you just type git commit, then with this flag, this the M stand for message. Then you bring your quote, then you type English here. So this one you have to describe what you are doing. So you can say, okay, this is the home page of the app. Assuming you are building this with different developers. I'm building this with Perry. I'm building this with like all of you. So this is the part that I'm working on. This is my part. So after using the Git Add, what is the next thing? The next thing is to use Git commit. That is to save your code. To save your code. After saving, then you push it to the repository for them to what? To review what you have done. So how do they understand what you have done? You have to add a short note. So the short note is what I've done here. The short note is what I've done here. So you just use git commit minus what? M, which stands for what? Message. Then you type English here. So here you can type anything. So I just type, this is the home page of the app. Then you press enter. Great. So right now we have saved our code to Git. We have saved our code to Git. Guys, please, do you understand up to this point?
Yes.
Is it difficult?
No.
Yeah, all that you have to know is the commands. You have to know the first one, git add, git init, git add, and git commit. So what is the next command? The next command is to push the code to the what do you call it? The remote repository. That is to just push the code online for the other developers to see what you have done. Right now, what you have done, all the codes are sitting on our local machine. Please, do you understand that?
Yes.
Great. All right. So how do we push this code to GitHub for other developers to see what we have done? The first thing is, normally if you are working in an organization, what we are come to do now will be done by the organization. You don't have to go online and create new, what do you call it? You don't have to go online and create new repository. But here, let me teach you how to do that yourself. So all that you have to do is, guys, please log in. Just log into GitHub right now and let's do something. When you're done, let me know.
Sir, sir. Sir, please, can I take a look at your Git bash?
I'm not using Git Bash. The codes to have clear all the codes. I have Git Init, Git Add, Git Commit with a message.
Okay, sir, after doing the Git commission the message,
Sir, please, how
Yes.
please tell me who you are and then Git configure global user.email you some.
Is that?
sir, please, how did you clear?
You can just use clear. CLEAR. LEAR. You can use this.
Wow.
Please, have you been able to log into your GitHub?
Yes, please.
Have you all been able to log into your GitHub? Hello, guys. Oh, guys, I'm asking you a question.
Please, what did you say? I lost connection.
Sorry. I'm saying, have you been able to log into your GitHub?
Yes.
Okay. Do you see this button there?
No.
You don't have new there, right?
No.
Joseph,
Sir,
please share your screen there. Let me see what you have. Okay, so open the browser and let's see. Okay, so this is what you have. Okay, guys, you are going to use Joseph's interface to continue. So do you all have this?
Yes.
Okay, so you can see create repository, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Joseph, click on that. All of you can also follow. Okay, so let's give our project name. What is the name of the project? You can write my portfolio or portfolio website, any name like pertaining to what you are doing. Okay. Are we on the same page?
Yes.
Great. Then the next one is description, which is what? Optional. So you can give a short description. Guys, please mute your mic. You can give it what? A short description about what you are doing. So you can write, this is my personal portfolio website, or any description at all. You are done, eh?
yes, sir.
Okay. Please, who is using two devices? Just mute one. Eh? Is that Joseph? Okay, the next one is you can make the project public or private. So when you select private, no one will see your project.
Okay.
Yes. So for now, let us all select public. Private is when you are, for example, you are working in a company and you are building in-house application that you don't want your competitors to see.
Sir, a minute.
Perry, please mute your mic.
Hello. Okay, the sound is gone. Joseph.
Sir.
Please, let's continue with the Git. I'll guide you with this one. Don't worry.
Okay.
You already know the commands. Oh, that's great. That's great. All right. So let's see what's the next thing. So as I was explaining, we have two options. You can make it public or private. It all depends on what you are building. Right now, with this kind of project, let's leave it to be what? Public. Let's move on to the next part. So you have other options here. That is add readme file, add .git ignore. .git ignore, we are going to do this locally. Then choose alliances.
Okay.
Don't mind. We are going to do all these ones locally. So just just click on create repository.
So let me come. I want to make some.
So you can do that. Great. All right. So right now we have two options. That is create a new repository on the command line. We have already done step 1.
Should I click get it or?
Yes. Looking at the guidelines over there, we have done Git Init, right?
Yes.
Git Add, we have done it, right?
Yes.
Then Git Commit too. We have already done Git Commit.
Yes.
Guys, are you following? Okay. So Joseph, come to your terminal.
Confirming the email.
Come to your terminal and type. All of you, just come to your terminal and type git remote. Just type git remote. It's not one word though, please. Anytime I say git something, it's not one word. It's remote. R-E.
Okay, I wanted to finish with this one before. Okay.
Enter. Okay. So you don't have any repository here. You don't have any remote link here. Meaning you have not connected the local repository to the remote one. So how do you do that? How do you let your local repository communicate with the remote repository? So that's what we are going to do. Let's go back to your page. Good. So just come to where you have git remote add. Copy that line. Copy everything there. Hey, the second one is not passed. Okay, Control C, copy. Guys, please, are you following?
Yeah. Yes.
So someone is asking question here. Let me answer. Someone is saying, please, what is the repository name? I'm now doing it. How to verify the email and the network wasn't stable. Okay, so with the repository name, you can use any name. Joseph is using my first website. So Perry, you can also do the same, or you can use my portfolio website, or you can use my personal website. And we said that we should leave it at what? Public. Don't select the private option over there. Then just skip the rest of them, come down there and click on create repository. That's all. Perry, please, do you get what I'm saying?
Yes. I don't.
Okay. Okay, so if you get it, you should be at this page where you are all seeing now. Please, have you copied the Git remote add?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay, so let's come back. Let's come back.
So please, we have to copy the.
Okay, so I was explaining this, and I said that the first command we have done, Git Init, we have already done Git Init. If you haven't done it, you have to start from Git Init. Then the next one is what? Git Add. And the Git Add, we didn't specify any name there. We just use what? The period symbol or the full stop to automatically add everything to Git for us. So they are using what? readme.md. We are not using that. We just want to commit everything. We want to add everything to Git. So all that you have to do is Git add, then you introduce the full stop. It will automatically add everything for you. Then the next one was what? Git commit with the message. So the M stand for what? Message, which you can type anything there. So they are saying my first what? Commit. All these things you have already done it. So where we are now is to add a link. That is you should link your local repository to the remote repository. That's what we are now. So all that you have to do is you have to copy that link, git remote add origin with your URL. So just copy that. All right, so just
So should I paste it here?
yes. Control V will not work. So just right click and paste. All right, so right now just press enter. Please, are we on the same page?
Yes.
Great, great. So right now, just do git remote again and let me see. Just type git remote. What do you have?
Original.
It's origin. Yeah, that's the origin. That's the master file. So all of you can see master, right?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Great. Great. So the next thing, me have already done all these configurations. That is why I've allowed one of you to use your terminal or your project to do this. So let's continue. Joseph, still we are using your project. Let's go. Guys, are we on the same page?
Yeah.
Anobia Kachi.
The same page.
That's great. All right. So Joseph, right now the last command is to use Git Push. So come to the browser and see what do you have there. Git what? Push, origin, main. Did we
Git
specify
push.
any main? No, we didn't specify any branch. We are not using any branch here.
Push.
So Joseph, just come back to your terminal and type Git push. Just type Git push and let me see. Come back to your terminal.
No.
Hello, Joseph. No, don't copy. Just come back to the terminal and type Git push and let me see. Hello, Joseph. Joseph. David, can you hear me?
We can hear you.
Oh, Joseph.
Hello,
how
sir.
are you?
Sir. Yes, sir, I'm here.
Oh, just go back to your terminal and type, yes, type Git push. Just type Git push. Okay, you have done it, right? All right.
Yes.
So you have an error there. And they are saying what? The current branch master has no upstream branch. Okay. To push the current branch master, all that you have to do is please just copy or just type Git push, then dash dash. Please, do you all have this error?
Yes.
Okay, so the solution has been given to you there. So just type Git push dash dash set. You can copy. If you don't want to type, you can copy. Don't make mistake. Oh, there's no T. See. Are you done?
Yes.
Press enter and let me see. What's the issue now?
So error SRC not match any. SRC ref spec origin does not match any.
Please come and copy and paste it and let me see. Maybe you made a mistake.
I had same thing.
No, don't copy
Yeah.
this one, no, because we didn't specify any branch.
Okay. So this one.
Yes, just copy that one and let me see. Do Git Add. Git Add space enter. Git Commit with a message. With a message. Enter. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. So let's run the following commands to set our username and emails globally. I've already done all these things. That is why. Okay, so it's good. It's better that I'm using your own what do you call it? Your own project to do it. So just see run git config dash dash global. You don't want to type it. Okay, you can type it. The more you type, now counts. It's config. There's no n. Config dash dash global. See there's no space there. When typing here, you get mistakes. So you get errors.
So is that all?
No, continue. Oh, bro, that's not all. Start again. It's Git. It's not GTI. Git. Take your time. Take your time. Git config. It's not one word. That's global. Space username. Go
So
up.
is it
It's user, right? Or username. Go up and let me see.
So it's
Just scroll top.
email.
Scroll top. Okay, so it's user.name and user.email. Okay, so let's go. User.name space. Then introduce the quote. Space. Introduce a quote. Then type. Do you remember the name that you used when you were creating the GitHub account?
yes?
So just type the name there. Guys, please, I hope you are all following, right?
Yes.
Okay. Please close the quote. Enter. There's no U. Enter. Then do another one for email. The same command. This time around, when you get to name, change it to email. And make sure you input your email there. Dot email. Space. Quote. And type your email there. Let me see. Enter. Okay. All right. Type Git status and let me see. Okay. So you have to commit. So Git commit. Space -m. Enter. Great. So right now, Git push. Enter. Okay. So come and just copy the Git push set upstream origin and let's move on. So it should work now. It should work now. Enter. You wait. I think they will ask you to log in by all means. This is your first time. Please, have you all gotten to this part?
No, sir, please, I have a problem.
You still have problem, eh?
Yeah.
David,
I'm on it.
have you gotten to this part?
Yes.
Okay, so you are still waiting. I think they will open the Git window for you to and input your credentials. Please, when you get to that side, don't share your screen. We don't want other people to see because at the end of the day, others are going to watch this. Hey, is it your internet or what? Chapel. I think it has opened up. What is showing at the come to the tax bar. Click on that one. Let me see. Yes. Oh, brother, they are saying what? Sign in with what browser? So just click on that. Click on that. Great. So just authorize it. Come down and Oh, example full. At first, they will ask you to input everything again. So let me check the terminal. So we are done. So you have successfully pushed your first code to GitHub. You have successfully pushed your first code to GitHub. Please, as for errors, they are part of programming. So don't worry when you get errors. It's good
Sir,
that we
please,
can
can I
all
share my
debug
screen
them
so that you
together.
can help me with it?
So right now, Joseph, go back to your code, your what do you call it, repository, and refresh. And let me see, not this side, inside the browser, the other one. There's the second tab. Second tab. Not this one. Where you have my first website.
Okay.
Refresh this page and
So
let's
here.
yes, just refresh the page. Great. So you can see your
Okay.
your websites are here, right?
Yes.
Okay, Brother David, please, have you been able to do it? Hello? Joseph, whilst you are waiting for them, you can search for my GitHub account. Then you follow me there. I also come and follow. Let's follow each other so that we can keep track of what we are doing. No.
Sir.
The same place. Just scroll up and let me show you something. Scroll up. Okay,
Sir.
so you can search my name there. Yeah, where you have the search bar. What name card do I use? Is it Robert Obri? Search for Robert Obri Jr. and let me see. Yes, Perry, were you saying something? Good. So just calm down and search. Calm down. All GitHub. The last one. Hey, wow. Hey, I'm not there. How come? What name do I even use?
No.
Is it not the same name? Let me check for you.
Okay. So, sir, can the name be can it be changed later?
Okay, so just search for it's one word. It's Robert Obri Jr. as one word. Perry, okay, Perry, you can share your screen, eh?
So this one.
Yes, click on it. Joseph, you have to stop sharing your screen. You follow me, just follow me there. Where is it? Not this side though. Go down and let me see. Hey, you search for it, you will see. I can't find the follow here. Okay. Joseph, stop sharing your screen so that Perry will come in. So we all guide him.
Okay.
Perry, start sharing your screen. Brother David, please, are you done?
Hello?
Brother David.
Sir, I'm playing with I've been able to do the git config global user. I had the email and I had the username, and I've done the commits and then the push. But when I entered the push setup stream original master, it gives me error.
Oh, still, I'm coming. Perry, so what's the issue now? Hello, Perry, your mic is muted. Hello, guys.
I can hear you.
No, Perry, you see, you have
said the reason is
Git status.
So the reason is that
Yeah.
From my experience, when I was doing mine, I didn't bring this quotation mark. The other one, this one.
Okay.
The global user email.
I understand. Control plus X. Where is your cursor? Type and let me see. Just type and let me see. Perry, can you hear me? Hello, guys. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Oh, Perry, you are wasting time. Oh. Hey. Hello, guys. Perry, you are wasting time. Oh. We are still waiting for you. Please be fast. Your mic is muted, so you can't hear whatever you are saying. Hello, Perry.
Oh,
Wow.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you hear me now? Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
You are using two machines.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Can you mute? Can you remove the audio from one of your devices?
Sir, please can you hear me now? Sir, please can you hear me now? Yes, sir.
We can hear you, but there's echo.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Perry, we can hear you. Wow. Okay, guys, let's move on. David, please, have you been able to do it?
No, still not working.
What's the issue now?
The system accepts the username, the email address, and I followed the normal Git initiate and then the Git Add and also the status and the commit. But when I enter the setup stream original master,
Do
I
Git,
get errors.
do Git status and let me see.
I get Git status on branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean.
That's what you have.
Yes. Git status on branch master, nothing to commit.
So do Git push again and let me see.
Yeah, I get errors.
What error do
It's
you
a
have?
error. It's a Git errors on no options setup stream, and I have a lot of commands coming up, like quick, be more quiet, or
I
push
wish
all
I wish
reference.
I wish you can share your screen. I wish you can share your screen.
I can't. Let me see.
Can you just take a picture for or call me on video and let's see how we can work that one out, guys. But I think we are last
If
with
if it,
about
if,
two more basic commands. Then we end the class. Just two more basic commands.
Okay.
So should we continue so that I sort you out later?
Yes, please.
Joseph, please share your screen so that we can still use your own to continue the class.
So please, is there a command to clear your screen? Like
It's clear. Clear. Just use clear.
okay.
Joseph, please share your
Sir.
screen so that we can proceed.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go back to your course. No, not your course, your repository on GitHub. Let's go back to your repository. So that one we can just click on, just go and click on the Git. Okay, so click on that place and go to so you have your first website on GitHub, right?
Yes.
So today we have learned about the basic Git commands. That is Git Init, Git Add, Git Status, Git Commit, and Git Push. All right. The next one is Git Clone. And Git Clone. Git Clone. How do you clone a website, or what's the meaning of clone? Okay. So assuming that you are being employed in a company. So already they are working on a project that you have to go and work on the same project. So when you go, what is the first thing that you are going to do? You are not going to start like what we did. The first thing that you'll be doing is to clone the existing project and start working on it. So how do you clone a project? That's the question. How do you clone a project? Okay. Majid, click on my first website. Assuming this is the project that the company is working on. So all that you have to do is what? You click on this project. Then you can see clone button over there, right? Guys, there is clone button. Joseph, hey Joseph, when in you, can't you see
Sir.
clone? Okay, see
Sir.
code. It has been changed to code. Move to your right side. Right. Hey, or your right. Not that one. The button, this one. Okay. So right now, you can download the whole thing, but we don't download. We clone.
Okay.
We want to clone this one to our local machine. So all that you have to do is you have to copy the URL. So just come and click on that one, that icon. Click on it. Have you clicked on it?
Yes.
So it has been copied. So right now, let's go back to our local machine. Hide this window. Hide the window and let me show you something. Okay, we are not going to clone it here because this folder already contained that project, right?
Yes.
So we are going to clone it to different directory. So with that one, let's use different. Open another Git bash.
So can you go back 2 steps? I can't find my own code.
You can't find your code?
Yes.
So he said I should go back to where?
1 step more. When you go to this this page.
No,
not
You come here.
Have you been able to use the code?
Okay. Like here, you come to this place.
No, Joseph.
Say.
Okay, that's what he's saying. Please, do you have this in your remote repository. That's Mr. David.
Yes.
You have this there.
Yes.
So just click on it. It will take you to this section. Okay, so click on this.
Okay, I'm sure mine is not taking me there because I didn't complete the process at first.
Oh, Joseph, don't go back, undo, or clean everything. Okay, so use git clone, then space, paste the URL there, enter. What do you see? Good. So right now you have downloaded your website back to the local machine, but this one, it is residing in different directory right now. Please, do you understand that?
Yes.
So this is the first thing. When you are being employed in any organization that they have existing web application or a project that you are working on, this is the first very thing that we are going to do. So you are going to use git clone to clone the existing project to your local machine. Then you start working on the project. All right. What is the next thing? The next one is git branch. Git branch. What is git branch? Git branch is used to create branch for your project. So in GitHub or in Git, we work in branches. For example, I made mention of the school management system. So with the school management system, assuming we are all working on this school management system, Joseph, you have to work on the login and the register page and the dashboard. So you can create branches for all these features. So you can create one branch for login, just login. That will contain all the logins codes. You can create another branch for register page. So that one will contain all the register hot codes. You can create another login, you can create another branch for the main dashboard. So that one will contain the dashboard codes only. So in case there is Yawa in future, you just go to that branch and do the changes. That will not affect the entire project. So this is the main essence of using GitHub, so that you have different branches. If there's a fire somewhere, or there's like I said, Yawa somewhere, you just go back to that specific branch. You go there and do the changes or any amendment that you are supposed to do, and that one won't affect the rest of the course. Okay, so let's see, how do you create a branch in GitHub? How do you create a branch? All that you have to do is what? In Git, all that you have to do is use git branch and the branch name. So type git branch. Then the branch name. So you can use login or whatever. So you can say login page.
Any code say?
I'm not sure. Just type it straight for it. Let me see. Now VS Code does all these things for you. You don't have to. No. For the page, it should be one word. So you can use login hyphen page. It should be one, or underscore page. Okay, page. Enter and let me see. Okay, so it should be where are you now? Please come and use
the clone.
Don't use the clone one.
Okay.
Good. So you are still on the master branch. You are still on the master branch. So how do you change to the login page branch? How do you change? So you can do that by using Git Checkout, then the branch name. Git Checkout. So guys, just master these commands and you are free to go. That's all about Git. Enter.
Something like this.
Yes. So you can see, have you seen? Good. So right now, when you open this in VS Code, there will be nothing in. You just type code, code. Then space dot. Enter. Dot. Enter. It will open VS Code for you. So this is one way of showing. Okay, so let me see. Which branch are you? Please open it and let me see. You shouldn't see these codes. I don't know why you are seeing this in here. No, open the VS Code and let me see the branch that you are now. Open it big. Let's go down there. I have to see the branch. Login page. Okay. So this one is from the master file. This is from the master file. Can you see your branch over there? Login page at the bottom there. So close the welcome page. Open the sat.html. Let me see. Okay, so this is from the what do you call it? The master branch.
The login.
This is from the master branch. The master branch. So right now, do you know what we are going to do? Let's see. Add H1 somewhere. Just go below the banner and go add H1. H1 under the about me or anywhere. Just do. We want to do some changes and see. Please, let's be faster. We have just 5 minutes to end the section. Brother David.
Yes, I'm here.
Please, are you following?
Yes, I am.
Have you been able to resolve the issue?
No, I just pause it while following the show. I will continue when I'm done.
Okay, in case you are not able to do, give me a call within the week and let's see.
Okay, sir.
Whenever you are free, you just WhatsApp me and check if I'm also free. Then we schedule some time and go through together. Okay, I'll help you to fix it. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guy, Joseph. So right now, these changes has been done in the hot, in the login branch, right? Okay, so let's go back to the terminal and do Git add. Git add.
Yeah.
Git add. Be fast. I mean, it's not one word. The full stop is not one word. Enter. Then commit these changes. Then write some, like anything, maybe changes in the login, something or something. Just we are just learning, so you can put anything. Enter. Okay. Right now, just switch to the main branch again. How do you switch that? No. Here now, just switch. So use Git Checkout master. Please, all of you should keep your eye on the code and let's see. Space master. Enter. Let's come back to the code. Yes, come back to the code. Your VS Code.
It's okay, yeah, go ahead.
Hey, boy, wait. Just what we are all seeing. Do you still have the Joseph?
Sir,
It's okay. What did you do?
I add H header 1, but it's
Is
no
it
more.
there?
No,
Why? Who can tell me the reason?
because I think it was on the login page and now it has changed to the master page.
Good. So we did that changes in the login branch.
Yes.
We did that changes in the login branch. So this is the essence of creating branches for your project. So what do you normally do? All that you have to do. So at the end of the day, assuming that the login branch was done by you, Joseph, Gilbert will also create his own branch, like dashboard branch, and you also work on his own. David will also create his own branch. Let's say register page branch, and let's say I also create my branch and name it any name at all. At the end of the day, what are you supposed to do? We have to merge our code. We have to put everything together. So the next thing is to just merge your code. So let's go to your terminal. When you merge the code, let's come back again and see the changes. Right now, when I ask you to go back, just minimize this terminal. Don't do anything, okay? Not that one, not that one. This one. Okay, so just write git merge. Git merge. Space. What was the name of the branch? Login, login page.
Login page.
Okay. Hey, you enter. Come back to your code and let's see. Don't click there. Just erratic. What do you see now? Hey, Gilbert. I'm saying
it's 18. It's it. So it's here.
Have you seen now? It has come.
It has come. Yes.
So yes. This is the whole concept behind GitHub. Please, does it make sense to you guys? And did you understand the whole class today? I've asked 2 questions, so I want to hear from the class. Does it make sense?
Yes. Yes.
And do you guys understand the things that you have discussed today?
Yes,
I
boss.
got stuck, so I was just watching it.
Yes, to some extent, yeah.
But you, Joseph, today you did everything, so all that you have to do is you have to master the commands. That is all.
Yes, please.
Okay, guys, so let's end here. I will make sure I work on the video and upload it online for you guys to just go back and rewatch everything. I think that's all about Git. There are other commands like Git pull and the rest. Once you are when we are done, I will take time and also give you some sites for you guys to learn on your own. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So thank you very much for joining the class. I don't know if someone has a question to ask. In the absence of any question, let's end the class.
Sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Joseph.
I want to ask, is it that the Git, like it helped the team or it helped the team or the individual to be able to modify codes over there or?
Okay, so the main purpose is for teamwork.
Okay.
That's the main purpose. As individual, right now you are now starting. if any recruiter wants to recruit you or like employ you,
Yes.
they will ask you, Joseph, what are some of the projects that you have worked on? You can't just mention it with your mouth.
Okay.
So you have to give them links to, for example, what you just posted, right? What you just posted to GitHub. So you can give them this link. Oh, I have even my personal website on Git. Then they will go
Okay.
and check the course. If everything is
course.
okay, they will give you you understand?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
So that is the importance of Git.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Please, that all.
Yes. I said another one. Please, is this the only option that we can upload our course on Git?
Is it they're using the commands?
Is this the only? Yes.
Yeah, Git always use commands. Git use commands.
Okay.
Though there are other alternatives, that's the UI part, but we don't normally use the UI. If you don't want to use the commands,
Okay.
if you don't want to use the command, VS Code, click on the VS Code and let me. Okay, so you're in VS Code. Come to the left side. You can see there's Git icon there. Go move up where you have your HTML files. Where you have your HTML files. Move to the corner.
Which corner?
Okay. You let me share my screen so that I show you guys that one. Stop sharing your screen. Okay, this is what I wanted you to see. This is it. See, this is your Git icon. The Git icon over here can also be found here. So when you click on this, instead of typing the commands that I taught you today, you can do exactly what we did here. So with that one, don't start with Git Add. You start with Git Commit straight. So Git Commit, you enter message. So this is the message box. Guys, are you following? Please, are you following?
Yes.
So let's say this is my personal. So then you click on this icon. Okay, so there are no changes to commit because I have not initiated any Git here. That's the main reason. Okay, so let's see. What can I do? Let me see. Oh, okay. I've already committed this here. So let me see. Git status. Okay, so there is nothing here to commit. That's why it also gave me the message over here, guys. So apart from using Joseph, apart from using the terminal to write all these commands, you can decide not to do that. You can just come and use VS Code to move to commit. Then when you click on these small icons here, these are the options: Git what, push, clone, checkout, checkout to the branch.
Okay.
Guys, have you seen it?
Yes.
So this is another way of pushing or pulling or cloning to your GitHub. But I intentionally didn't teach you this because at least as a programmer, you should know some codes. All right. Please, is that all? I guess we can end the class. Thank you, guys. The next time that we meet, we are going to start with the web hosting and domain registration. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.